Philippines, today is, when is today? Tuesday, is it? It is Tuesday, December 17th. And before we start, here is the usual disclaimer. Any comment, statement, or any verbiage stated in this recorded webinar should not be taken as an order to enter trades, nor should it be considered as trading advice. This recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only to illustrate how we trade DTA's Congressive System. Any past performance of DTA's Congressive System is not indicative of future results. Once again, this recorded webinar is strictly for educational purposes only, and I must emphasize that I am not a licensed trading advisor. I'm merely a retail trader like everyone else. And so as we begin, as the market opens, as we can see, we have very large, so to say, erratic bars here. So there's hardly any movement, but we have large erratic bars. That's one thing we have to take in consideration. So what I'm looking at this here is basically, I better look for an entry here, 94.
Order submitted. Order filled.
I had to take that. There was a obvious, should I say, let me see if this is going to go through or not. I had to take that. So we'll see how that works out. Our trend, as you can see here, is basically uptrend. Again, I'm looking at this as a setup right here. High probability setup, so that's why I did take it. And again, before I go on, there is really no major any economic news releases. It's basically building permits, which is an orange folder. So I'm not expecting any major news releases here. We'll see what happens here. Usually, since there's hardly any liquidity in this market right now, what I'm trying to do is to limit my loss, but at the same time get as much profit as I can. I want to make at least 300 since I'm trading 3 contracts, but if I make some profit, that's a plus, especially based on this slow movement right now. So what I'm going to do, I expect this webinar to last maybe an hour or so, just an hour. And if I'm in profit or in loss, at least I'll try to minimize my loss, and we'll go from there. So I expect this webinar to last at least 1 hour. And I'll put this in mute. I'll talk to you guys later. So just like that, I am done for the day. Again, like I said, we have these long erratic bars, but we have very low liquidity. So with that, here is where my profit is. I should have made my daily profit goal here. Let me see just bringing it up right now. Hold on. There it is, 400 gross. With net, that should be around, with one trade, with net, that should be 388. That's $11.34. I'm trading 3 contracts. So 1134 net on commission, and basically 388.66. So I'm done for the day. And again, like I said, we have long erratic bars. Look at this movement during the overnight market. Really hardly any movement, but you have the long erratic bars, as evidenced by the wide range here on the Keltner channel. But then you have hardly any volatility. That's why I had to take advantage once the signal was present. So that said, I will end this webinar and talk to you guys tomorrow. Again, we'll try to take advantage of these slow moving markets with erratic movement. Good night, traders in the Philippines. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. God bless.